So the next song we are trying to do is Lifted. Are you a winner? In the key of F. No, the chords are very simple. Lifted, F. I am lifted, B flat. Lifted, F. I am lifted, C. Lifted, then 7th. I am lifted, F, C, back to F. So if you have this one, then you can decide to shuffle the strings, pick the strings. So on F, in the first stanza, you can learn this picking method. Once you're on F, you hold the 5th and the 2nd at the same time. Then you play 4, 3, 5, 2, 4. I, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4. I, P and I at the same time. Then 4, 3, 5, 2, 4. Okay, on F, then you go to B flat and do the same thing. By this time, you have your thumb here on this chord. Lifted, I am lifted. The same thing. But instead of the 5th, you hold the 6th and then the 2nd, and then you continue with the rest. The 2nd and the 6th at the same time. Then 4, 3, 6, 2, 4. 6 and 2nd, 4, 3, 6, 2, 4. And back to the first one. Then on C, you can do the same thing. The same picking as the first one. 2nd and 5, 1, then 4, 3, 5, 2, 4. So this is the first thing I want you to learn. Slowly. On B flat 6. And back to F. And then to B flat. And when the song moves to Are You a Winner, that is in the Amponsan mode. So da da da, 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 da. The same thing. You can apply the same picking over there, but this time you can introduce either a D dominant 7th or a D minor chord. Both will work. Are you a winner? I don't know the song very well. The same thing. It's in the Amponsan mode, so you can play. So, mi, fa, re, mi, di, re. Then you continue with your picking. The same picking. You can play single notes or duets. You don't always have to complete the bar because the song don't stay too long on 5. You only play T-so, then back to do Fa, T-so, do. You can also do this. Lifted. Once you are here on this chord, this is the same chord of F. Between then 10th. So lift, then you go to lift the fa instead of, so in place of the B flat you play the, so lift, then you come back to lift, to the same thing, re mi so mi re do, but you end on a T. And the T will take you to the chord 5, which is a C 7th. You play. Back to 1, then you play again, 2 5, I don't want to be repeating some of what I have given you, but something new. Then you can come between the 10th and then the 13th fret. And play, you bow here. Mi, fa, mi, re, do, fa to the chord. Mi, fa, mi, re, do, ti. Mi, fa, mi. On the chord fa la do, then mi so do, mi fa mi re do, ti so la so fa mi, or so la so, simply see. That's pinky. And then when it gets to you are a winner then. You don't have to move, you can play it at the same place you play. Tola, so, fa, mi, re, di, re, to the re to dominant 7th. This is a new shape you need to learn. Tola, so, fa, mi, re, di, re, so, so. Tola, so, fa, mi, re, di, re, so, so. So on this song too, this is what I would want you to play.